Matrix A, question number 8 of 2.4. Matrix A is 1 0 1 3 1 2. Matrix B is 2 1 minus 4 3 5 minus 2, and matrix C is 0 2 3 minus 1 minus 1 0. Now what should we do? They have asked us to find out A. You have to verify that A plus 2B plus 3C transpose is equals to A transpose plus 2B transpose plus 3C transpose. So we will first do A plus 2B plus 3C. So A is 1 0 1 3 1 2. 2B is 2 into 2 1 minus 4 3 5 minus 2, and 3C is 3 into 0 2 3 minus 1 minus 1 0. So this is 1 0 1 3 1 2 plus 4 2 minus 8 6 10 minus 4 plus 0 6 9 minus 3 minus 3 0. If you will add it, it will be 1 plus 4 plus 0, 0 plus 2 plus 6, 1 minus 8 plus 9, 3 plus 6 minus 3, 1 plus 10 minus 3, 2 minus 4 plus 0. This will be 5, 8, 2, 6, 8 minus 2. That's a transpose. So transpose of A plus 2B plus 3C it will be 5 8 2 6 8 minus 2. This is the transpose. Now what you will do is make transpose of A, make transpose of B, make transpose of C and prove it. So transpose of A will be 1 0 1 and 3 1 2 plus 2 into transpose of B. Two 1 minus 4 3 5 minus 2 plus 3 into transpose of C. तो C का ट्रांसपोज क्या हुआ 0 2 3 minus 1 minus 1 0. This will be 1 0 1 3 1 2 plus 4 6 2 10 minus 8 minus 4 plus 0 minus 3 6 minus 3 and 9 0. This will be 1 plus 4 plus 0, 3 plus 6 minus 3, 0 plus 2 plus 6, 1 plus 10 minus 3, 1 minus 8 plus 9, 2 minus 4 plus 0. This is 5, this is 6, this is 8, this is 8, this is 2, and this is minus 2. And now we'll check if it is same as this 58268 minus 2. It is same 58268 minus 2. So it is proved. I think question 8, 9, 10, if it was homework, then you would have done it. I don't remember whether it was homework. लेकिन ये है तो सिमिलर। Now let us do the next one, ninth one. Ninth is A is -1, 2, 1, -3, 2, -3. B is 2, -3, -1, 1, 2, 3. You have to show A plus B transpose, bracket transpose is A transpose plus B. तो हम लोग तो पहले B ट्रांसपोज निकालेंगे। अभी इधर B ट्रांसपोज क्या होगा? 2 -3 -1 1 2 3। और A plus B ट्रांसपोज क्या होगा? A is -1 2 1 -3 2 -3, and this will be 2 -3 -1 1 2 3. So that is 1 -1 plus 2 1, 2 -3 is -1, 1 -1 0, -3 plus 1 -2, 2 plus 2 4, -3 plus 3 0. Now transpose of this, A plus B transpose the bracket transpose, 1 -1 0 -2 4 0. Now we'll do this, A transpose plus B. तो A ट्रांसपोज क्या है? अभी LHS तो आ गया, अभी RHS ले लेंगे हम लोग। तो A ट्रांसपोज क्या आएगा? -1 2 1 -3 2 -3. And what is B? 2 -3 -1 1 2 3. A transpose plus B, -1 plus 2 1, -3 plus 1 -2, 2 -3 -1, 2 plus 2 4. This will become 0. This will become 0. Now see, LHS is equals to RHS. Hence it is proved. Similarly, you will do the next one. Prove that A plus A transpose is a skew matrix and A minus A transpose is a symmetric matrix, and A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. तो आपको A दिया है उन्होंने, उसका A ट्रांसपोज निकालना है, ऐड करके देखना है कि वो सिमेट्रिक है क्या, सब्सट्रैक्ट करके देखना है कि वो स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक है क्या, फॉर बोथ। तो मैं एक करके बताती हूँ कि उन्होंने एक मैट्रिक्स दिया है आपको, मैट्रिक्स A, इट इज 1 2 4 3 2 1 -2 -3 4 2. So we will find out A transpose. A transpose will be 1 2 4 3 2 1 -2 -3 2. You will add them, A plus A transpose. That will be 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 4 minus 2 is 2, then 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 2 4, 1, and this will become -2. Now -2, this will become 2, 3 minus 3, this will become -2, and 2 2, this will be 4. So see, this is this symmetric matrix? Yes, it is symmetric. ये सिमेट्रिक ही दिख रहा है ना, क्योंकि अगर मैंने इसका ट्रांसपोज निकाला A प्लस A ट्रांसपोज अगर मैंने निकाला तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, फर्स्ट रो विल बिकम फर्स्ट कॉलम, 2 5 2 5 4 minus 2 2 2 2 minus 2 4. देखो ये तो सिमेट्रिक, सो एज A plus A transpose is equals to A plus A transpose bracket transpose. Therefore, A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. This is proved. Now A minus A transpose करके देखते हैं. 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 4 minus of minus, this will become 6, 3 minus 2 1, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus, this will become 4, this is minus 6, this is minus 4, and 2 minus 2, this will become 0. Is this skew symmetric? Yes. How to prove that it is skew symmetric? क्योंकि इसका वापस अगर मैंने ट्रांसपोज लिया, A माइनस A ट्रांसपोज का अगर मैंने ब्रैकेट ट्रांसपोज लिया तो बनेगा 0 minus 1 6, 1 0 4, minus 6 minus 4 0. So A minus A transpose is minus of A minus A transpose bracket transpose, and therefore A is skew symmetric matrix. Like this you can do the second one. Find out A plus A transpose, find out A minus A transpose, and you can prove that they are skew symmetric. Eleventh sum is express each of the following matrix as the sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. और उन्होंने हमको ये दिया है नोट में, आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में भी दिया है, a square matrix A can be expressed as sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix as A is equals to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. So if A is a square matrix, only for square matrix this is true. So in 11th sum, the first sum is 2 by 2 square matrix. So it is 4 minus 2, 3 minus 5. What is A transpose? 4 minus 2, 3 minus 5. A plus A transpose is 4 plus 4 is 8, minus 2 plus 3 is 1, 3 plus minus 2 is 1, minus 5 plus of minus 5, this will become 10. Okay, then we'll do A minus A transpose. 4 minus 4 is 0, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus, this will become 0. Now matrix A is 1/2 A plus A transpose plus 1/2 A minus A transpose. So A plus, so this will be 1/2 8 1 1 minus 10 plus 1/2. It is 0 minus 5 5 0. तो फिर हम लोग अभी इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? I can take 1/2 common and inside 8 plus 0 will be 8. 1 minus 5. It will become minus 4. 1 plus 5 will become 6. And minus 10 plus 0. It will become minus 10. Now I'll divide by 8 by 2. कारण हे 1/2 इकडे multiply झालं म्हणजे 2 नीच divide होतं. This is 4. This is minus 1. This is 3. This is minus 5. This is your required matrix. You can add and show it, or you may not add and show it. Sorry, ये 1 नहीं, ये 2 रहेगा इधर. देखो यही तो था आपका सम, है कि नहीं? ओरिजिनली तो सम यही दिया था उन्होंने. और एक तरीका है इसको रिप्रेजेंट करने का. हम लोग इसे P बोलते हैं और इसे बोलते हैं Q. So A is shown as P plus Q. This is also one method and this is another method, but by this method it is proved that whatever was given, that is verified. See, हम लोगों ने ये फॉर्मूला यूज किया, ये 1/2 A plus A transpose plus 1/2 A minus A transpose ऐड करके जो आंसर आया, that is equal to matrix A. So it is proved. However, this formula can only be applied for square matrix. Now the second sum is 3/3. You can do the same thing and prove that it is equal to A. Now the last sum of 2.4, 12th sum. A is given, B is given. You have to verify that AB transpose. So matrix A is given as 2 3 4 and this is given as -1 -2 1. Matrix B is given as 0 3 -4 2 -1 1. AB transpose is B transpose into A transpose. तो हम लोग पहले AB निकालेंगे. तो A इसका ऑर्डर क्या है? 3/2 और इसका है 2/3. तो ये और ये सेम है, तो आप कर सकते हो मल्टीप्लाई. AB का मतलब निकलेगा 3/3. तो दिस विल बी 0 -2. This will become 6 plus 1. This will be -8 -1. Then 3 minus 2 will multiply here, so it will become -4. 9 plus 2 -12 -2. This will be 0 plus 2. 12 minus 1 -16 plus 1. This is -2. 7 minus 9 -4. 11 minus 14. 2 11 minus 15. This is A plus B. Now we can find out transpose of A plus B. तो A plus B का ट्रांसपोज क्या आ जाएगा? sorry, AB transpose will be -2, 7, -9, -4, 11, -14, 2, 11, -15. A plus B transpose आ गया. Now you will have to find out B transpose. So B transpose होगा 0, 3, -4, 2, -1, 1. A transpose will be 2, -1, 3, -2, 4, 1. So B transpose into A transpose is 0, 2, 3, -1, -4, 1 into 2, -1, 3, -2, 4, 1. So we will multiply this. B transpose into A transpose. After multiplication, we'll get this is 0, -2, 0, -4, and 0 plus 2. Then here it will be 3 minus 1 multiplied by this. This is going to be 6 plus 1. Then 9 plus 2. And then 12 minus 1. And here it will be -8, -1, -12 minus 2, -16 plus 1. This is -2, -4, 2, 7, 11, 11, and -9, -14, -15. Now see B transpose into A transpose and A into B bracket transpose. Both are same. Then you do the 12th one. 12th का second भी कर सकते हैं आप, वैसे ही है. You have to prove. This is actually the property, तो इसलिए वो हमेशा ही prove होगी. A into B bracket transpose is B transpose into A transpose.